Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see how to write a Dart program to declare variables of different basic data types and display their values. So let's start the program. So we'll define the main function, that is void main. So now we'll define the integer type. So we'll define int age is equal to 25, then after semicolon. Now we'll define the type double double type. So give the data type, that is double space height is equal to 5.9 semicolon. Then we will define the type string type. So how to define the string? First we give the data type, that is the string, then after variable name, that is the name, is equal to, in double quotation, name. Then we define the boolean data type, bool is student is equal to true, semicolon. Now we'll display these different data types. Just give the comment displaying values. So here we print all these values. So just type print in in round braces, in double quotation, name colon, then after we need to give the dollar sign, dollar name, then after semicolon, then print age, dollar sign age, then after semicolon. Then we print height, dollar sign height, then after semicolon, and finally we print the city. print in double quotation city dollar sign city. So we have not defined the city data type. So just we'll define over here where city is equal to in double quotation Pune. And finally we will print boolean data type. So for that is student colon, then we need to give the dollar sign to access the variable and just save this program. Now we'll run this program. So type the command, that is the dart space your file name, your program name, and just press the enter button. So it prints all these variables.